trouble. You is big trouble.
What?
And give me a leaf.
There's your leaf.
Ah!
Wow.
Ah! Hey. It's blue, Daddy.
What?
You eye.
What?
Ah!
No, don't put it on my eye.
Yeah.
You're gonna be in big trouble. You're gonna be in big trouble, mister.
You in big trouble.
No, you're in big trouble.
No, you're in big trouble. You in big trouble. I mean,
Me? What did I do?
ah,
What did I do?
you're in big trouble. You're leaf.
My leaf?
You,
My leaf?
you on your back.
Okay.
Put it on your back.
Oh no, I have a leaf on my back because I'm in big trouble.
Yeah.
Ah, got it.
No, go up.
I have to keep it on my back. Thank you.
You're in big trouble.
What did I do? Why am I in trouble? I have to have 2 leaves on my
Man, you
back.
must have been really bad.
Is this mommy artwork?
It's very up there. You ready, Mike?
Okay.
No follow you?
Okay.
All right. Yes, sir.
I really don't want to see him busting.
Hmm.
So sucks, but I'm running down the hill.
Hey, Calvin. Guess what? Guess what? You're in big trouble. You go on my back now?
Yeah.
Because I'm in big trouble?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not sticking.
Okay.
You are big trouble. You sick? You back. You is big trouble. No, Daddy.
Oh no, Daddy. You can't keep a leaf on your back. You're in trouble.
That's why I'm in trouble, I guess.
Oh no, Mommy. No, take it off.
Okay.
Take it off? Okay.
Oh no, your leaf. Oh no, your leaf.
Oh, did it fall off?
That one leaf. That is it. And who is in trouble? That's not it. is Daddy.
Okay.
Who is Bigfoot? That's it.
Well, are we out of trouble now?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Well, thank you for having mercy on your parents. And off into the sunset.